yourself up for the future and we'll reward you for it. NCA rewards are open for 2019. To be eligible for NCA rewards this year, you need to be 1. A registered home member, 2. Be studying NCEA or the equivalent, and 3. Access tutoring or attend one of our catch-ups. This year we've teamed up with StudyFit to give you guys free English and Math online tutoring.
Kia ora. I'm Crystal Harpaku from StudyFit, and we can't wait to have you on board with our online tutorials. These start on the 7th of May, so come along and sign up now, rangatahi mā.
Our NCA reward catch-up sessions will be on these dates. Don't forget, you must access tutoring or attend one of our catch-up sessions to be eligible. Apply now, the future is yours.